Let's talk oil. Does longer engine life sound good? How about better fuel economy? If so, you may want to consider changing from conventional to synthetic oil. Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Synthetic oil runs cleaner. It contains fewer impurities than conventional oil. That means less sludge in your engine. 2. Synthetic oil protects better. It doesn't break down as quickly as conventional oil. Translation: more lubrication for longer engine life. 3. Synthetic oil flows easier in the cold. It's chemically engineered to remain fluid even in frigid temperatures, enabling it to better protect your engine during cold starts. And 4. Synthetic oil is more stable in the heat. The hotter the engine, the faster conventional oil breaks down and evaporates. Synthetic oil is formulated to better resist heat and evaporation. So what makes synthetic oil so great? Well, it's chemically engineered to be great. It's like bionic. Plus, it's not only refined, like conventional oil, but also distilled, purified, and broken down into uniform molecules that are ideal for modern engines. Want to learn more? Visit a Mopar service specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.